Brooklyn Cuzo reporting live from the 2022 Snowmicron Blizzard. Let me tell you something. I am snapping out. The snow behind me keeps building. What am I doing with this? Oh, where's my mask? I got the mask over here. But let me tell you, now they don't work. They're saying you gotta have the I-95. I don't know. I'm not driving to Florida. What do I do? Listen, all I gotta tell you is I got nothing going on for me other than my girl Jamie. Jamie, where are you, Jamie? Jamie, Jamie, I love you. Oh.
You are not ruining this weather report acting like a fool. Are you serious?
Stacy, get the hell out of here. I'm just telling you people right now, stay warm. It's freezing balls out here, and I'm not having it. I can't feel my nose. The masks don't work. I give up. Guys, have a good snowy Saturday. Back to you, Stacy. I hate her. Where is she? Where is she? She did it again.